Families should come to StoryWalk because it's a great way to share the experience of the joy of a book out in nature.
Every kid deserves to have a fun time at the library.
Well, I think it's always important for families to do things together. And this is something they can all enjoy, and children especially can get used to coming to the library. You learn a lot from reading. And experiences are great, but you can't always do what you can in a book. I think reading is so important. It's educational.
I love seeing kids outside enjoying books and nature at the same time. Just a neat opportunity. I love the whole experience of coming to a library. Just all the books that we can look at and watching my son choose what he wants to take home and learn about. I think it's just an awesome opportunity. I think it's so important to support your local library, because if you support our local library, we can keep having educational programs and opportunities like the StoryWalk and having great books that kids have available to them to learn about the world they live in.
Because you can see any stories you want if you look hard enough.